Welcome to our phonics lesson. Students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, I hope you wore your tennis shoes today because today we have some steps that we need to climb. These are not going to be the steps so that we put our feet on. They are steps with consonants because I want to see how quickly you can read these consonants. Now, students watching, I'm going to call in some boys and girls in this classroom to read these consonants, but you make sure you are saying those consonants with them. Ready? Let's step over to our steps, and I want to hear all of these consonant sounds. Jacelyn has her eyes right on me. Jacelyn, start with our letter sound. I want the letter sound and the clue word. Join her, students watching.
D, d, d.
And what's the clue word? D. Better not forget this one.
Dog.
There you go. Now say it louder so our students watching can hear you.
D, d, dog.
Nice job. Keep going.
Lamb. Yard. Bell. Zebra. Goat. Son. Horse. Goat. And the fox.
She got everyone right. Students watching, how did you do climbing up those steps? Now it's time to climb all the way down to the bottom of those steps. Kyle, take the challenge. Students watching, join him.
Box. Box. X.
There you go. Box, fox, and X. Keep going.
Go. Horse. Son. Go.
Good. He didn't get tricked.
Zero. Bell. Yarn. Lamp. Dog.
He got them right. Students watching, how did you do? Are you ready to go to our next step? Isaiah says, I am. Isaiah, stand up. Boys watching, join Isaiah as he climbs up our next set of steps. He's thinking. Ladies like to wear them. Nice.
Fox. Jar. Nest. Wagon. Table. Kite.
Couldn't trick him. Keep going.
Milk. Pig. Violin. Cat.
And boys watching, did you stay with Isaiah? He got every single one correct. Good job, Isaiah. I need a lady in this classroom who can climb down those steps. I have so many smiles, I can't decide who to call on. Bailey, I choose you. Girls watching, I want you to climb down these steps with Bailey. Stay with her. She's a speedy reader. Here we go, Bailey.
I can't see.
Oh, they couldn't hear you. She's looking for that first letter. Students watching, do you know what it is?
Cat.
There you go. Cat. Keep going.
Violin.
Nice.
Pig. Milk. Kite. Table. Wagon. Nest. Jar. Fish.
She thinks those students watching. There you go. You got them right. She got very speedy as she was getting to the bottom of our steps. How are you doing with those consonants? Are you quickly finding and reading them? I brought with me today some new consonants, and students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, this might be something that you like to fly on a windy day. What might you like to fly on a windy day, Jed?
A kite.
That's it. Our new consonant is K, says K as in kite. K says K, K, K. Listen as I say it again. K says K as in kite. K says K, K, K. Together. K says K
as in kite. K says K, K.
Ladies, stand up. Ladies watching, stand to join them. Let's say it together.
K says K as As in kite, K says k.
Nice job. Kendra said it with a smile because her name starts with this consonant. Boys stand up and boys watching join us. Let's say this together. K says k. As in kite.
K says k.
Good job. You can have a seat. I have a thinking question. We have already learned a consonant that says this sound. What consonant have we learned that says the same sound as K? Kyle.
C.
Students watching, did you know that? I hope that you did. Here's our next letter. Oh, this is what every lady would like to grow up to be. What would ladies like to grow up to be, Jaden K? What's this a picture of? Not the king, but the queen is right. Our new consonant sound is Q says qu, as in queen. Q says qu, qu, qu. Listen as I say it again. Q says qu, as in queen. Q says qu, qu, qu. Together. Q says qu, as in queen.
Q says qu, qu, qu.
Kings stand up. That means boys and boys watching. Kings, let's say this together. Q says qu.
As in queen. Q says qu, qu, qu.
Nice job. Queens stand up. That's my ladies watching too. Let's say it together.
Q says qu, as in queen. Q says qu, qu, qu.
Now a little bit quieter. Qu, qu, qu. Together. Q says qu, as in queen.
Q says qu, qu, qu.
Nice job. Have a seat. We are ready for our next consonant sound. Oh, this one's a challenge. Students watching, do you think we can learn this one? Our new consonant sound is X. Says X, as in fox, box, axe. Listen as I say it again. X says X, as in fox, box, axe. Let's say it together.
X says x, as in fox, box, axe.
Nice job. Tables 1, 2, and 3 stand up. Students watching, join them. Let's say this together.
X says x, as in fox,
Box, axe. Let's say it together again.
X says x, as in fox, box, axe.
Nice job. Have a seat. Tables 4 and 5 stand and let's say it together. X
Says x, as in fox, box, axe.
Nice job. Have a seat. I'm going to mix these consonant cards up. I need somebody very sharp to tell me what consonant they see. Students watching, what do you see? Here we go. We're back to Kendra's favorite one. Kendra, what is it?
K.
K says.
K says k, as in kite. K says k.
Nice job. Let's look at this one right here. Let's have Leah. She's got pretty eyes right on me.
Q says qu, as in queen. Q says qu, qu.
She got it. This is a challenge. Students watching, have you already said this sentence? And Brock, what challenge do you see? Jaden K knew it. She's smiling at me. Brock.
X as in fox, box, axe.
And X says X, as in fox, box, and axe. You got it. Now, I want you to notice something on my board. Maybe you noticed it right away. But on my board, I have some very big letters. Do you see the very big letters that I have? It's right here. And I have a great big K, and I have a great big C. We're going to learn a poem in just a moment that's going to help us with something. You see, K only comes in front of certain vowels, and C, Jaden, K only comes in front of the other vowels. And we want to make sure that when we spell and when we write, that we have the right letters after the correct consonant. So listen to this poem and look at these consonants to help you remember this poem. Here we go. K goes before I and E. C goes before the other three, A, O, and U. Now, watch me do those motions again, and there's a reason I did these motions. Watch and listen. K goes before I and E. C goes before the other three, A, O, and U. Now, students watching, you might already know this, but I just did some sign language. Sign language is how we would talk to somebody who is deaf. When I made my fingers go like this, I made the letter K. So students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, make the number 2 with your fingers. Now put your thumb right in the middle. There we go. This is the letter K in sign language. Now, hands down. Put just your pinky up. There's the letter I. Now, make this. This is the letter E. There's one more. It's the letter C. It kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Now try just the motions while I say this poem. We're going to do some sign language to help us remember. Listen, but do the motions. K goes before I and E. C goes before the other 3. A, O, and U. Stand and let's say it together. K goes before I and E. C goes before the other 3. A, O, and U. Good job. You can have a seat. I want you to notice now on my blend ladder how that is true. Here I have the letter C. C goes before A, O, and U. Here I have the letter K. K goes before the vowels I and E. I want to see who can read these blends quickly and carefully. Students watching, join Hannah A. She's going to be really fast, though, because her eyes are right on me. Hannah A? Good. She was speedy. Students watching, were you as fast as she was? Jed's going to climb up this ladder. Jed, let's do it. And he noticed something. C goes before A, O, and U, and K comes before I and E. What happens when I switch this blend ladder to the back? I need some fast readers to help me with this blend. So many smiles already. Benjamin, I'm ready to hear you read. Boys watching, join Benjamin. Don't get tricked. He was so speedy. Do I have a lady who can climb up fast? Jaden K. Girls watching, join Jaden K. She was very fast noticing. I and E goes with the letter K. A, O, and U goes with the letter C. I'm ready for another blend ladder. I'm going to turn it right away to the super hard side, but I want you to notice something. When we have the letter Q, Q always has a helper. Here's why. The letter Q is a queen, and she wants to make sure she always looks nice. Whenever you see the letter Q, there's going to be the letter U. But let me tell you something about helpers. Helpers are always quiet. So because letter U is a helper to the queen letter Q, she is always completely silent. She doesn't make a sound. Who can read these blends, keeping that helper quiet, only saying the vowel at the end? Students watching, join Willow as she reads these blends. Now look at your vowel sounds. She did it. Say it louder so our students watching can check their work. Yes. Do you see what's missing? Students watching, do you see what vowel does not go with Q? And what vowel is missing? What does not go with Q? Rio?
U.
That's it. We don't have Q, U, U for one of our blends. Climb up my ladder for me, Rio, since you've got those sharp eyes. Now think one more time. What does this letter say? Good. Put your qu sounds. Now say it louder so our students watching can hear you. Nice work. I'm going to let you know something. I'm out of blend ladders. I don't have any blends for the letter X. Here's why. X does not start any blends. Instead, X will usually go at the end of a word. So I have some words on my board. Let's check something. First question, how many vowels in this word, students watching? How many vowels do you see, Lucas?
3.
Oh, not how many letters, how many vowels?
1.
One is it. When there's one vowel in a word, it says, Cooper?
short
We
sound.
mark it with a.
Smile.
I'm going to put my smile. Students watching, read this word. Put your x sound at the end. And read this word to us, Isaiah.
What? What?
He did it. He read our word with our x sound at the end. Here's our next word. Students watching, how many vowels? And how many vowels do you see, Brock?
1.
When there's one vowel in a word, it says, Tyson,
6.
that's our word, but what does our vowel say? It says it's? It says it's short sound. I'm going to mark it with a?
Smile.
And Tyson wants to read our word, so students watching, let's hear him read it.
6.
6 is it. Do this one by yourself. You see how many vowels? How am I going to mark that vowel? Read the word. I'm ready now for some help. Jaden. Jaden, how many vowels?
1.
Mark it with a?
Smile.
And read my word. You can do it. Start with your blend. What's this letter say?
B.
Vowel.
Box.
You did it. Jaden read the word. Students watching, did you read this word too? Today is a very special day because today we get to learn some new sounds for our vowels. But students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, before we learn, Jaden, our new vowel sounds, I want somebody who can practice our old vowel sounds. So right now, I need Cooper to stand up. Cooper, vowel sounds. Think about it, apple.
Apple.
Good, keep going.
Elephant.
Got it?
Ostrich. Umbrella.
You got all of your vowel sounds right. Boys and girls in this classroom and students watching, stand. Let's say these together. Apple, elephant, inchworm, ostrich, umbrella. Have a seat. I know these vowels say they're short sound because what is above these vowels, Bailey?
A smile.
But do you see these vowels here? There's something different over these vowels. It is a stick. And when I see a stick over the vowels, that means the vowel is going to say its long sound, which is its name. We are looking at our chart, and this chart has the stick over the vowel, which means it's going to say its long sound. Now don't say, Miss Hal, I worked so hard on those short sounds, I'm never going to be able to learn the long sounds because I have a secret for you. Here's the secret. You already know its long sound. It is just its name. I'm going to give you its name and clue word, then it's your turn to say it after me. Listen, then it's your turn. A, acorn, A, together.
Acorn, A.
E, my turn first. E, eagle, E.
Eagle, E.
I, ice cream, I.
I, ice cream, I.
O, open, O.
O, open, O.
U, uniform, U.
U, uniform, U.
Stand, students watching, join us and let's say this together. A,
Acorn, A. E, eagle, E. I, ice cream,
I.
O, open, O.
U, uniform, U. Have a seat. Now I want to see who can say our long vowel sounds. Students watching, join Jed. And Jed, I'm not going to go in order. Let's see if he knows them.
Ice cream, I. Apple,
Look at what that's a picture of.
A, acorn, A.
Good, students watching, did you get that one?
U, uniform, U.
Nice.
E, eagle, E. O, open, O.
Now, we have a song we get to learn to go with our long vowels. I want you to listen really carefully. 5 long vowels that I once knew, A and E and I, O, U. Say their long sound with 2 vowels in a word. They say A, E, I, O, U. stand. Students watching, let's sing this song together. 5 long vowels that I once knew, A and E and I-O-U. Say their long sound with 2 vowels in a word. They say A-E-I-O.